Hey, Leo, how was your first time volunteering at the city library?
Oh, Maria, it was quite an experience. My first day helping out.
Tell me all about it. Start from when you got there.
All right. I arrived in the afternoon,
Afternoon. What time exactly?
around 1 o'clock. I wanted to be on time.
1 o'clock? That's punctual.
Yes, I was a bit apprehensive.
Apprehensive? You mean worried?
Not exactly worried, just a new place, new people. My stomach had butterflies.
So, what was the first thing you did?
I went to the main desk and said, "Hi, I'm Leo, the new volunteer."
Speaking with confidence?
Yes, I wanted to make a good first impression.
And your clothes? What did you decide to wear?
A simple blue t-shirt and jeans.
Casual clothes?
Yes, comfortable but still neat.
Then you met the librarian?
Yes, she came from behind a tall shelf of books.
A tall shelf? Like a bookcase?
Exactly, a very large bookcase.
How did you feel when you saw her?
She had a kind smile. I thought, this is going to be okay.
So you started to feel more comfortable.
Yes, I wanted to be helpful.
What happened when you met the head librarian?
She introduced herself as Mrs. Davis. The library was quiet and smelled of old books.
Old books have a special smell, don't they?
Yes, a very distinct smell.
Did she have you do anything right away?
Yes. She said, "First, let's get you acquainted with the layout."
Acquainted? To get to know something?
Yes, to become familiar with the place.
Ah, so she gave you a tour.
Exactly. She showed me the different sections.
Sections. What do you mean by sections?
Sections are the different areas for books, like fiction, nonfiction, and the children's area.
Ah, different areas for different kinds of books. I get it. And what did Mrs. Davis do after the tour?
She smiled and said, "Let me explain your initial task."
Initial task. You mean your first job?
Yes. She took me to a cart full of books that needed to be shelved.
Shelved? To be put on the shelves?
Yes, a lot of books to put back in their proper place.
Did she explain how to do it?
She said, "Today you will just focus on the Dewey Decimal System."
The what system?
The Dewey Decimal System. It's a way of organizing the books.
Organizing. Putting things in order?
Yes, so people can find them easily.
Okay, organizing equals putting in order.
Right. And she said, tomorrow we can move on to helping patrons.
Patrons. So, tomorrow, helping people?
Yes, patrons are the people who use the library.
After the explanation, what happened with the books?
At the book cart, I met another volunteer. Her name is Sarah.
Another volunteer?
Yes, someone else who helps out for free.
So, a volunteer is an unpaid helper?
Exactly. Not a paid job.
And what was Sarah like?
She was very helpful. She said, "Hi, I'm Sarah. Don't worry, it looks more complicated than it is."
Did you introduce yourself too?
Yes, I said, "Hi, I'm Leo."
Good. So you had someone to help you.
Yes, we worked together.
What did she tell you about the library?
She said the library has a very loyal community.
Loyal?
Loyal means people who come here often and really love the library.
Ah, loyal equals dedicated visitors.
Yes, exactly. She also showed me how to read the codes on the books.
The codes?
Yes, first you look at the number. Then you find the matching number on the shelf.
Matching number. The same number.
Yes, the same number.
Okay, matching.
I picked up the first book. The code was 811.54.
A specific number for a specific book.
Right. Then I looked for the 800s section. Section means a specific area.
A specific area for those numbers.
Exactly. After I found the right shelf, Sarah told me to check the author's last name.
So you shelved your first book at the library.
Yes, my first book.
Did she say anything else?
Yes. Sometimes there are discrepancies.
Discrepancies?
Discrepancies mean when things don't match up.
So a discrepancy is a difference or an error.
Yes, that's right.
So, Leo, in the late afternoon, what did you do?
I went to the staff room for a break. Mrs. Davis was there.
Did she give you more to do?
No, she said today was just about getting comfortable with the basics.
The basics?
Yes, the simple, most important parts of the job.
Ah, so the first day is for learning the fundamentals.
Yes. Tomorrow, I'll help at the front desk.
That sounds interesting. What else did Mrs. Davis say?
She mentioned an upcoming event.
Event?
Event means a special occasion, something that is planned.
Okay, a planned activity.
Yes, the event is a book drive for local schools.
A book drive. Like what?
A time when people can donate books.
I see. So today you learned the system, and tomorrow you'll be more involved.
Exactly. Today, learn. Tomorrow, interact.
So, Leo, that was your first day. How do you feel now?
I feel a bit tired, but also really fulfilled.
Fulfilled?
Yes, I learned something new, and I helped out.
That's great. So tomorrow, the real interaction begins.
Yes, tomorrow I'll be at the front desk.
I don't know what to expect.
And what about the library? What was the atmosphere inside?
The building was old and peaceful, but also very alive. It felt like a place with many stories.
Wow, that sounds welcoming.
Yes, welcoming. People were reading quietly and kids were looking at picture books. I felt a sense of community.
Community. A group of people.
Yes, a group of people who share something. In this case, a love for books.
And the people?
Mrs. Davis was very patient and clear. Sarah was friendly. She made me feel at ease. But everyone seemed to have a genuine appreciation for the library. It's like they all wanted to be there.
Waiting to discover new things?
Yes, that's why I feel excited.
Do you think you will continue to volunteer at the library?
Definitely. It's a valuable experience. There is a lot of potential for learning.
Potential.
Potential means the chance for something to develop or become something in the future.
So, a lot of possibilities?
Yes, many possibilities. I want to keep going.
Well, you made it through your first day. That's a wonderful start.
Yes, one day is done, but tomorrow is a new chapter.